online shoppers, is it time to get patriotic and show your pride in the red, white, and blue? Well, I have something really cool here. This is an American flag bunting. It is one of those swoopy banners that you can put out. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now this is about the third or fourth one that I have purchased. Now, these come in a 2-pack and they're really good quality material. I've bought a few packages of these before for different occasions and I really like them. Now, they come all ready to be hung like this, and they've got this great construction. So you can see that there's 3 of these brass grommets, and you have this nice sturdy stitch along the top here. That's like your edge. And here is your bunting. Obviously it's just come out of the package, so it's a little bit wrinkled, but you can see that it actually has the pleating built right into it so that it's gonna hang really nice when you put it up. Now the great thing about this is you can use some hooks so that you can just easily put it up and then easily take it back down. But the quality of this is really, really nice. The stitching is high quality. You've got these great little grommets here for holding it up, and the print is screened on. The colors of this are super vibrant and rich, and it is UV resistant. Now I have put these a bunch of different places. I've put them along my deck railing, I've put them along the wall, and I've also clipped them along the side of my picnic table to decorate everything really nice for Independence Day, for Memorial Day. Definitely, definitely up your decoration game when you use something like this. As I said before, this is a 2-pack, so you get not 1, but 2 of these beautiful buntings in the package. The only thing I'm gonna do is put this underneath a towel and iron out the wrinkles so that it hangs a little bit nicer when I put it up. But if it's anything like the other ones I've already purchased from this company, it's gonna iron up nice and it's going to look fantastic when I install it. If you are looking for a really great option for outdoor decorations or indoor decorations for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, these American flag buntings are fantastic. Really nicely put together, high quality material, super bright, vibrant colors, and definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.